Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna draw an octopus. I hope you enjoy. The first step of drawing an octopus is to do the head. So we're gonna come about here. We're going to curve up and we're going to do the head. We're gonna curve back down for the neck, like this. Then what we're going to do is we're going to do the tentacles. So we're gonna do one of the tentacles up here and coming back down here. Like that. Then we're going to do suction cups. Then we're gonna come on this side and we're going to do more tentacles. You can do the tentacles any way you want. I'm just doing it this way. So, and then I'm gonna come down and I'm gonna add a tentacle here. And do suction cups. Come down here, add a tentacle. Do the suction cups. And we have half of the tentacles that we need. So, I'm actually gonna add 2 more tentacles here. I'm just going to give it a little space and going to add my tentacles. And again, with the tentacles. Okay, now I'm going to add my suction cups. Okay, that's 6 tentacles. Now I'm going to come over here to the side and pretend that it's overlapping. And I'm gonna come over here. I'm gonna come over here and over here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do the eyes. So you're gonna make 1 circle and another circle inside. 1 circle inside. Then we're gonna do the eyebrows. Then we're going to do the smile. And we're going to add little things at the end. And that's it for the video. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. See you next time. Bye!